Hey everyone, it's Robyn and you're watching The Robyn's Nest. Now, I hate to say it, but summer's over and fall is finally here. But one good thing is it's time for knee-high boots, warm, cozy sweaters, and pumpkin spice everything. So we're going to be making this adorable pumpkin spice latte cake today. Now, while I was looking for the perfect recipe online, I stumbled across an image of the cutest pumpkin spice latte kawaii squishy, and I thought to myself, I have to cake him. He is too cute. I have to make him for you guys. So that's who I'm going to be recreating today. So let's get into it. So as I said before, I'm using a pumpkin spice latte cake recipe, and I will share that in the description box below for those of you who are interested in trying it. So we're going to start out by leveling out our cake layers using a cake leveler. Now you can use a serrated knife if that's all you have. That'll work fine too. Now you can toss your cake scraps if you like, or you can freeze them and save them for cake pops later on, but I'm just going to try a little nibble and see how it is. That was good. Now that I've finished leveling my cake layers, it's time to fill them. So we're just going to be using some simple vanilla American buttercream, and we're just going to take a little bit and put it on our cake board to attach our cake with. You're just going to take your first layer, press it down, and then you're going to stack and fill the rest of your layers. Now we're going to be doing a little bit of carving on this cake, and I like to carve a cold cake. It is a little bit easier. So we're going to pop this in the fridge to chill before we do any cutting. So I chilled my cake for about 20 minutes, and now we're ready to do some carving. So the first thing I'm going to do is from about the top of my third layer down, we're going to taper that in a little bit, make it look a little bit more like a cup. And then from the bottom of our top layer up, we're going to bring that to more of a point, sort of cone shape, because we're going to make that look like a little icing swirl on the top. So I'm just going to take a small serrated knife, and we're going to use a gentle sawing motion all the way around the cake to trim it down. Alright, so I finished carving my cake and I'm really happy with the shape. So I'm going to go ahead and start my crumb coat. So I'm just going to take my small offset spatula and my white icing, and we're just going to do a thin layer all over the top. Then I'm going to switch over to my orange icing and we're going to do the bottom. Now once I'm finished, I'm going to pop this in the fridge to chill, and then we're going to start working on some of our fondant decorations. So guys, pumpkin spice, what do you think? I assume if you're watching this video, you probably like it, or perhaps haven't tried it before. I have to say, I don't hate it. I really like the smell of it. It reminds me of fall and gives me a really nice, warm, cushy feeling inside. So you guys can let me know what you think down below. And if you're enjoying this video so far, don't forget to leave me a thumbs up. Alright, I'm happy with that, so off to the fridge we go, and now it's time to work on some fondant decor. So the decorations for this cake really are so simple, and you'll see in just a second. So the first one we're going to make is going to be a very simple label for the outside of our cake, and it's going to have the cutest little kawaii face. Isn't that adorable? So I'm going to do black for the eyes and the mouth, a little bit of white to highlight the eyes, and then we're going to finish it off with some cute little peachy cheeks. Alright, so I finished with my first decoration and I think it looks super cute. I'm so happy with it. So the next decoration we're going to make is going to be even simpler. We're just going to make a couple of cute little cinnamon sticks. Now, I know real cinnamon sticks would be so much better and would smell even better too, but fondant will have to do for today. And there we go, they're all done. Like I said, super simple. So the last decoration we are going to make is going to be so cute. We're making an itty bitty, teeny tiny little kawaii pumpkin to top off our latte. This is going to be adorable. Alright, here he is, guys. He's all done and he is so stinking cute. I just love him. Isn't he adorable? What do you guys think? So I'm going to set him to dry along with the rest of my stuff, and all we have left to do now is our final coat of icing. So I'm going to go grab our cake out of the fridge and we're going to get that done so we can get everything finished up. So for my final coat, I'm going to start at the bottom of my cake, and I'm just going to take a small offset spatula and we're going to apply a nice generous coat of my orange vanilla buttercream all over the cake, and then I'm going to smooth it out using this plastic bench scraper. And then I'm going to fill up a gigantic piping bag full of vanilla icing, and we're going to pipe a nice gigantic swirl of icing on top of the cake. Then I'm going to finish it all off with the rest of our decorations, and I'll show you what it looks like. And ta-da, here it is, guys. Isn't it so cute? This cake was so fun and simple to make and pretty quick too. The decorating came in at, I'd say, just under about 4 hours, which really isn't bad. And I mean, look at him. Whether you like pumpkin spice or not, you have to admit he is cute. I just love him, and I really hope you guys all like him too, and I really hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, you know what to do. Hit that big thumbs up button and leave me lots of love in the comment section too. And if you haven't done so already and you enjoyed the video, hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you receive a notification every time I post a new video. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye-bye.